хрена себе! Oh man.
This guy just figured out why you were so far over.
Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. He just completely ran through the light.
Fuck!
I'm just nervous because obviously I see my family a lot because I'm living with them.
Holy shit.
So I came and met Peter and asked for help.
So I called an emergency
Oh my
meeting
God.
and sent the staff.
And he asked them.
Because she knew she wanted to get in here. I put that on YouTube.
Oh!
No, I don't. LJP.
That was.
Okay, Garmin.
The girl. But yeah, no, that's the thing is, we didn't know. Funny enough, I didn't know who John Lithgow was when I was. Yeah, that's recently I was just like, how did? But I knew John Lithgow when I had.
Down of my monthly income as a Washington State Corrections chaplain. And this is a quick breakdown of my monthly pay as a military chaplain. You can see that there's a substantial difference between the two. Because I made the jump from Washington State Corrections chaplaincy to active duty military chaplaincy, I almost doubled my income. And when you think about that over the lifespan of a career, that is substantial. So anyways, I hope that helps you as you are trying to discern God's call for your life and whether or not military chaplaincy is right for you. And if you're considering military chaplaincy, make sure to go Army because we are the best. So as we wrap up, make sure to
Dude. You kidding me right now? In 1989.
Yeah.
What was it called?
Cold War?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it!
Why was it called the Cold War?
Because there was no food.
No. Because it was a war that wasn't fought with bombs.
Right, they stopped the foods and stuff.
Well, they started stockpiling. They started stockpiling bombs.
Not just to annoy you so they can get a rise. There's no one in front of them.
Right.
Just go around them. Why did they have their hazards on? Trying to blind us? I feel so bad for Grace. She has shin splints and a bad knee.
You don't want to go there. Get in your car. Get in your car. You pulled on a red light. I've got it on camera.
I don't give two shits.
Get in your car. In the car. And don't talk like that in front of my daughter. You drunk f***.
You don't need to do that.